welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope you're having a great day. Today I have for you a fun summer arrangement and it's very budget friendly. My daughter and I stopped by Target today and in the Bullseye playground I found this cute watering can for only $3. It comes in a couple different colors and designs and you're going to need some flowers for this DIY. I picked up those flowers and those two right there, all at Dollar General. The blooming branches and then the pink flowers, I'm not sure if they're dogwoods or not, came from Dollar Tree. And then the zinnia bush came from Walmart. It's Mainstays brand. You're also going to need some foam to hot glue to the bottom of your watering can. And I bought my foam at Walmart. It was a long piece and I just cut it to fit the watering can, and that's not the full piece. I'd already used a piece off of it, so I cut that piece at 4 inches and I put some hot glue on the bottom of the foam, then pressed it into the watering can and let it have time to dry. Now I'm taking my floral picks from Dollar General and I'm just going to cut them into shorter pieces. When you're picking out your flowers, make sure you choose some of different heights and textures. Like you'll want some that are more tall and wispy and whimsical, and then you're going to want something similar to the zinnias from Walmart. And today is May 1st, so you'll have to let me know what date you are watching this tutorial. I just took all of my floral picks and I cut them all into shorter pieces, and you're going to want some petite dainty flowers too, and these were only $1 at Dollar General. On the zinnias, I didn't cut up the whole entire zinnia bush this time, but I decided I needed all of them, so I went ahead and cut them all into shorter pieces and used the full bush. Now I'm taking the pieces that are longer and taller from Dollar General and I'm putting them in the very center of the foam. So I'm working in the center. I want some height in the center of my arrangement. And then usually I try to do a pattern. So what I put on the front, I put on the back. What I put on the left side, I usually put on the right side. If you want to add a little bit of hot glue on the end of your pick before you push it into the foam, you can. I don't usually add hot glue and mine stays fine. So here's how it looks so far. So notice you want some kind of whimsical pieces for height. Now I'm taking the zinnias and adding them in, and this particular flower bush came with 2 shades of flowers, and I just used them the same way I would if they were all the same color. This little arrangement would make a perfect Mother's Day gift. It would also make a good gift for a friend or relative, or maybe someone who's not feeling well and maybe is in the hospital, or maybe you could make it for someone who has just had a baby. So there's all kinds of options, or this is just perfect to make for yourself and enjoy. So here I'm adding the last of my zinnias, and then to finish this arrangement off, I'm going to take a little bit of moss from Dollar Tree and just fill around the bottom edges so that the foam doesn't show. And here it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this fun summer floral arrangement. Thanks for watching.